This is Narla. She is Big Cat Rescue's office manager, always hard at work. One morning, the interns called their coordinator, Afton, our media producer, and told her there was a cat living under their house. Every day, she went to check on her and would have to give her food to keep her from following her. So on the third day, Afton put her in a carrier and took her to the Windsong Memorial Hospital to do a checkup. The cat was scanned for a microchip, but none was found. But all in all, she was a healthy, spayed female cat in good health. So what to do with her now? She instantly bonded with Afton, but Afton couldn't take her home because of her elderly cat that she has already. When Afton's boss and CEO of Big Cat Rescue, Carol Baskin, met this sweet cat, she told Afton she could keep her as an office cat. So Afton named her in memory of Narla, her favorite cougar that passed away in 2016.
Narla! Loves you, baby girl.
It has almost been a year since Narla's second chance. She is such a blessing and brings so much joy to the office. After all of her hard work and play, there's always time for napping.